Want to create a fresh Gmail account on your computer without linking your mobile phone number? Running your browser in an incognito window helps bypass standard phone verification checks during setup. Let's set up your new account in just a few quick steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into it. Open Incognito window. Launch your browser on a desktop and open a new Incognito window. Access Google Sign-In. Navigate to Google and click the Sign In button in the top right corner. Choose Account Type. Click Create Account at the bottom of the sign-in box and select For My Personal Use. Enter name and date of birth. Input your first name, last name, date of birth, and gender. Then click Next. Set username and password. Create a unique Gmail address username and set a strong, secure password to continue. Skip recovery details. When prompted for a recovery email, click Skip, or add one for security if desired. Confirm account details. Review your newly created Gmail address details on screen and click Next. Agree to terms. Scroll through the Privacy and Terms page and click I agree to finalize the setup. And that's it! Your new Gmail account is completely set up without requiring a mobile phone number for verification. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.